Hello children, let us continue with problem set 1, question 10. Now what is a question? Draw a labeled figure showing information in each of the following statements. So the first thing we have to do is we have to draw the figure, and looking at the figure we have to write the antecedent part and the consequent part as per the question that is given to us. Now here they have given two equilateral triangles are similar. So first let us do the drawing work. So this is our first triangle. Let this be A, B and C. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides are alike. They are congruent. And let us draw one more bigger triangle, PQR. This is P, this is Q and this is R. Okay. And this is the ditto marks. This is the ditto marks. Now you can see here two equilateral triangles are similar. Children, equilateral means a triangle whose all the three sides are equal. And how many triangles are asked in this question? Two triangles are asked. Now what is similar? Children, for congruence we are making the use of this symbol, and for similar we are going to make use of only this. Okay. Children, congruent means exactly alike. Like your passport size photo, your first passport size photo and your second passport size photo, I can say both the photos are congruent. But when I say similar, your passport size photo and your stamp size photo, your passport size photo and your stamp size photo, they are similar. They are similar. I hope now it is clear to you when we use the word similar and when we use the word congruent. Now as you can see here children, the first triangle is equilateral, the second is also equilateral, but they are not congruent. This is smaller in size and this is bigger in size. Okay. Now, so what should we write? So according to the information, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equilateral triangles. Are equilateral triangles. Two equilateral triangles are similar. So what we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That's it. Okay? Clear? Yes. Next. If angles in linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. If angles in a linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. First we will draw the picture. Correct. Now let us do the labeling. A, B, C and D. Correct. Now if angles in linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. Then each of them is a right angle. Which two angles are given here? Angle ABD, angle ABD and angle ABC are angles in linear pair. Are angles in linear pair. Children, we know the measurement of linear pair. What is the measurement? It is equal to 180. And if they are equal, then each of them will be equal to 90. And each of them will be equal to 90. So they have given that these two angles are in linear pair, and at the same time they have given ABD is congruent to angle ABC. This is also given to us. What they want us to prove? That each of them is right angle. Right angle means their measurement is 90 degree. So to prove measure angle ABD is equal to measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Is equal to 90 degrees. Two angles in linear pair, both are congruent. To prove that each of them is a right angle means it is 90 degree. Right angle means it is 90 degree. Now, if altitudes are drawn on two sides of a triangle, first of all, let us draw a triangle. Let us draw a triangle and let us name this as A, B and C. Okay. Triangle is having three sides, and on two sides of a triangle, see, if the altitudes drawn on the two sides of a triangle are congruent, then these two sides are also, so altitudes are drawn on two sides. So let us take this as D and let us take this as E. Now once again, if the altitudes drawn on two sides of a triangle are congruent, so the name of the triangle, in triangle ABC, on side AC we have drawn the altitude BD. We have drawn the altitude BD. So BD perpendicular to AC, correct? And we have also drawn CE perpendicular to side AB. Okay, if altitudes drawn on two sides of a triangle are congruent, so what they are saying, our altitude BD is congruent to, our altitude BD is congruent to altitude CE. Okay, that is what is given. I repeat once again, triangle ABC is given to us, children. We have already drawn the two altitudes. What they are saying, if the altitudes are same, then the sides on which the altitudes are drawn, those sides will also be equal. Now BD is drawn on which side? It is drawn on side AC. Okay, so side AC. BD is drawn on side AC and CE is drawn on side AB. I repeat, BD is perpendicular to AC, CE is perpendicular to AB, BD congruent to CE. Therefore, we have to prove that side AC is congruent to side AB. Okay? So see, so many conditions are given. Perpendiculars are drawn. If the altitudes are same, then on the sides on which we have drawn the altitudes, those sides are same. That is what we have to prove. Then these two sides are congruent. Now, solution to homework 10. Distance AB plus distance BC gives us distance AC. Right? We have done the substitution accordingly. So AC is 17, BC is 6.5 and the difference is 10.5. Next is distance PR is distance PQ plus distance QR. So 3.4 plus 5.7 gives you total distance of 9.1. Gives you total distance of 9.1. Okay.